everybody. Today's video is a sort of a comment response video, but it's actually going to show you, rather than just respond, about how to make this particular automation. So let's get started. So right here on one of my videos, I had this gentleman ask how, this gentleman right here, Luke Wielden, asked how to create an automation for, to create a folder, name it, and then have it in a location like the home directory, and then create a shortcut or an alias to it right on your desktop. And there are several ways to do this that I am now aware of during my research. There's a way to create AppleScript, and but probably easier to create a bash script, or the method that I was able to use was using Automator workflow to get this to happen. So Luke, this is for you. Alright, so let's get started, and we're going to open up Automator. Open up Automator. We're going to say it's a new workflow. I'm going to select workflow. And then now we just start building it. Okay, so what do we need to do? We need to create a folder. So we're going to move over here into the different categories. We're going to select folder, or folders and files, I believe it is. Okay, and of course I can't find it. Here we go. There it is, right in front of me. And then we're going to create a new folder. So we're going to select this action first. And this action asks where you want this folder to be created. So we're going to give it a name. We're going to call it, it asks the name, and it asks you where you want it created. So we're going to give it test vid, a test vid name. That's the name. And then we're going to select, I believe Luke asked how I can create a folder in the home directory and make it available on the desktop. So here's my home directory, and this is the name. And now I'm going to create an alias for it. So I'm going to select new alias, and that alias is going to be created on the desktop as it shows by default here. Alright, so now all I have to do is run this workflow and see what happens. And I don't know why, but my Mac has been creating folders at the very top corner underneath the taskbar for some reason. But here's the folder that was just created. This is the shortcut. You can identify a shortcut by the little arrow that it has in the left lower corner right here. So this is the shortcut folder. Let's check and see if it actually created the original folder or directory in my home directory, the Botchyman folder. Okay, so let's go open Finder here, and we'll select the home directory. And here it is, testvid. That is the folder that we wanted created a shortcut of on the desktop. So there you have it, folks. A folder that's created in the home directory, and an automation was done to have it duplicated as a shortcut on the desktop. And now all you guys need to do is save this workflow. So we're doing Command S, and you can call it whatever you like. Desktop folder shortcut. And this will save. This is going to save in the home directory, but I'm going to move, or actually the desktop, so I'll just leave it there. And here is the workflow that will be run. You would have to run it by opening it each time, because you would have to rename the folder to get it to work properly. Otherwise, you'd still be creating the folder with the same name if I were to select create an application, for example. And even an application, you can't select. If you made this application, you would have to make the same folder in the same location, and the alias would be created in the same location that you originally set up. So this is why this automation is better done using a workflow file. Alright guys, that's all I have. Please like, subscribe, and comment on what you think of this video and what the next video should be. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.